Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best drones on Aliexpress for 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking for fun or a pro looking for features like GPS, 4K cameras, and obstacle avoidance, there's something here for you. Make sure you stick around till the end to find out which one gives the best value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone. The Teeggi SG909 Max is a high-end GPS drone packed with a 4K camera, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and a unique 6 kilometers range via a touchscreen remote. It's also foldable and travel-friendly. This drone punches way above its price class. The 4K resolution provides crisp aerial shots, while the GPS keeps the drone stable and responsive. The 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance system is impressive. It can detect and dodge in every direction, which is rare at this price. The touchscreen remote feels premium and adds convenience. Pros: 6 kilometers transmission distance, touchscreen controller, 4K UHD camera, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, foldable design. Cons: battery life is decent, but a second battery is recommended for long shoots. A bit bulky compared to other foldable drones. Number 2. M22 8K GPS Drone with Obstacle Avoidance. The M22 drone features 8K video, 4K image capture, GPS positioning, and obstacle avoidance. It's foldable, lightweight, and perfect for casual aerial photography with a 1 kilometer range. It's a fantastic gift drone or beginner's drone that still offers premium features. The obstacle avoidance is front-facing only but still useful. The image quality is surprisingly solid, though not true 8K. The GPS stabilization works well, even in mild wind. Pros: 8K video capability, easy to use, beginner-friendly, foldable and compact, includes carrying case, optical flow positioning. Cons: obstacle avoidance only on the front, not ideal for advanced/professional filming. Video may stutter at full resolution on windy days. Number 3. Xiaomi Mijia V198 Max Drone. From Xiaomi's Mijia series, the V198 Max is an 8K brushless drone equipped with laser obstacle avoidance, FPV transmission, and foldable arms for compact travel. It's perfect for enthusiasts. This drone delivers. The 8K sensor, likely interpolated, offers stunning video quality. Brushless motors make it durable and quiet. The laser obstacle system works great in dense environments. Xiaomi's Mijia app integration is sleek and responsive. Pros: true 4K/interpolated 8K video, stable FPV transmission, brushless motors for durability, laser obstacle detection, foldable for easy transport. Cons: slightly higher price point, not ideal for complete beginners. No touchscreen on the remote. Number 4. P26 1000M GPS Drone with 4K HD camera. This drone is compact, kid-friendly, and packed with features: 1000M GPS range, 4K camera, obstacle avoidance, and FPV capabilities. It's a solid choice for anyone entering drone photography. For the price, the P26 is a winner. It performs very well in open areas and takes solid photos. GPS works decently for automatic return-to-home functions. While not truly professional, it is perfect for students or casual hobbyists. Pros: beginner-friendly controls, decent image quality, GPS with auto-return, obstacle avoidance, great value for money. Cons: limited camera stabilization, battery drains fast during video, shorter range compared to premium models. Number 5. FPV Drone 4K per 8K camera with 4.5-inch screen remote. This drone features a professional 8K camera, obstacle avoidance, and a unique 4.5-inch screen on the remote controller. No phone needed. A great option for outdoor enthusiasts who want to fly on the go. The built-in screen is a game-changer. You can start flying immediately without installing any app. It's beginner-friendly and has an impressive build. The footage is clear, although the 8K tag is mostly marketing. For those who don't want to use their phone, this is perfect. Pros: built-in FPV screen, foldable and portable, good 4K video quality, no phone/app required, obstacle avoidance included. Cons: screen not super high resolution, battery lasts only about 10 to 12 minutes, limited advanced control settings. Alright, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones on AliExpress for 2025. If you're on a budget, the M22 or P26 gives amazing value. Want a touchscreen experience and range? Go for the Teeggi SG909 Max. If you want pro-style footage, the Xiaomi V198 Max or the FPV drone with built-in screen are perfect choices. All links are in the description, and don't forget to use any coupons or discounts you find on AliExpress. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. Drop a comment. Which one would you fly first?